welcome to the stage our youngest speaker of the day. Lucky Basseri is an amazing young man. He began his political career yelling at his mom through a loud halo when he was 8. No, he was down at City Hall. Lucky stood up to the vaccine mandates. He stood up to his school, his teachers, his classmates, and he wants to be president of the United States someday.
My name is Lucky Basseri. I am 16 years old. I traveled here from California because the fact is our country is on the precipice. We are at a defining crossroads of our nation, a pivotal moment that every person here needs to be actively and readily engaged and involved in. This is the moment to stand. This is the moment. Freedom or tyranny, liberty or dictatorship. Now let me ask you, after the pandemic, the last 4 years of tyranny that we have endured, our waning liberties, are you gonna take it? No. I said, are you gonna take it? No. Let me tell you something. Gen Z will not take it either. The youth stand for freedom. We stand for liberty. We stand for justice. And we stand against any and all unconstitutional actions. But let me tell you something. As important as this moment is, the flame of liberty will never, ever go out. They can try to cover it, but it will never, ever go out. So let me wrap up by this. You all need to fight. We need to fight, fight, fight to make America healthy again. We need to fight, fight, fight to make America great again. And we need to fight, fight, fight to rescue the Republic. God bless you all. God bless America.
Lucky for president.